Hey, what's going on, great people? This is Danielle Pierce, the creator of Real Estate Profit Lab. Wanted to drop another short success story that happened last week sometimes. And today we're shouting out Alana Jackson of Jackson Property Solutions. She interviewed with the company, I think it was Friday. And between Friday and, the next 48 to 72 hours, she'd received 6 to 7 work orders, which was, it's pretty exciting once that happens. She did say, as you can see here on the screen, that she encountered dead cats, fleas, hoarder houses, caved in roofs. But I mean, that's all part of the job. Which, once you get into it, you realize that that stuff is pretty normal. I know for myself, I didn't realize that hoarding was as, I don't want to say common, but definitely a lot more common than what I had anticipated prior to getting into property preservation. So you will run into it. Pretty frequently. So she says she's excited, but she's still very tired. And she says, what an awesome course and opportunity that you've opened up for others. So shout out again to you, Alana, from Jackson Property Solutions. And I believe she is working out of somewhere in Georgia, if I'm not mistaken. So guys, just send her congratulations in the comments. And that's all I got for you. If you want to get more information, see if this industry is a good fit for you, just simply head on over to propertypreservationmastery.com and then click the Learn More button to take the readiness assessment. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.